Hey there, future doctors! Today, I'm diving into a crucial topic, cerebrospinal fluid collection and storage. This is an essential skill for any medical professional, so let's get right into it. CSF, or cerebrospinal fluid, is typically collected from the sub-arachnoid space of the spinal cord at the lumbar level using a long needle. This procedure, known as a lumbar puncture, is performed by a physician under strict aseptic conditions. Remember, maintaining sterility is key to preventing infections and ensuring accurate results. Once the needle is in place, you'll collect the specimen in small quantities, usually 2 to 4 milliliters, in 3 to 4 sterile screw-capped bottles. These bottles should be serially numbered to maintain proper order and identification. It's crucial to send these samples to the laboratory immediately to avoid any degradation. If you're testing for M. tuberculosis, you'll need at least a 5 milliliter sample. This is because the additional volume allows for more accurate culture results. As soon as the CSF arrives in the lab, it should be tested right away. Now, here's a pro tip. The first bottle might be contaminated with blood. That's normal, so just set it aside. The fluid from the second bottle is what you'll use for routine tests. The third bottle is designated for bacterial culture and other specialized tests. If you're suspecting tuberculous meningitis, you'll need a fourth bottle. This one should be kept in the refrigerator undisturbed to see if a pellicle or coagulum forms. This can be a critical diagnostic clue. However, remember this golden rule. Unless you're specifically testing for tuberculous meningitis, never refrigerate CSF intended for bacterial culture. Refrigeration can kill certain bacteria, like Haemophilus influenzae, which could lead to false negative results. Instead, keep the CSF at a steady 37 degrees Celsius. To recap, collect 4 milliliters of CSF using a lumbar puncture under aseptic conditions. Use sterile, numbered bottles. Send samples to the lab immediately. Set aside the first bottle, use the second for routine tests, the third for bacterial cultures, and the fourth for tuberculous meningitis if needed. And remember, only refrigerate the fourth bottle if you're looking for signs of tuberculous meningitis. That's it for today. I hope this was helpful as you continue your medical journey. Stay curious, stay dedicated, and keep learning. Until next time, take care.